Hi, so today we're going to learn moon phases. So the moon does not make its own light. It only reflects the light of the sun. So only the side facing the sun is lit. As the moon orbits the earth, we usually cannot see all the lit area from the earth. So the moon appears to change shape. The position of the moon in relation to the observer on earth determines what shape the moon seems to take. A phase identifies how much the near side of the moon is lit by the sun as seen from Earth. If you watch the moon for about 4 weeks, you can see all its different phases. When you cannot see the moon at all, the phase is called the new moon. No light is reflected, the moon is there, but we see no part of the moon being lit. And after the new moon, a small lit sliver of the moon appears and begins waxing, or growing larger. This narrow sliver of the moon's circle shape is called a crescent. Because it appeared to grow bigger each night, this phase is called the waxing crescent. About 1 week after a new moon, you can see a half of the lit side of the moon. Half. This phase is called the first quarter. Between the first quarter and full moon, the shape of the lit part is called gibbous. This means the moon is more than half full, but it's not completely full yet. The waxing gibbous appears to grow larger each night until you can see the complete circle or full moon. And yes, after the full moon, the phases repeat in reverse order. The lit part of the moon begins waning or shrinking. First, because it's reversed, you will see the waning gibbous. Almost full, but not full yet. And as you see, the lit is shrinking, so this is waning gibbous. After waning gibbous, the moon reaches its third quarter about a week after the full moon. In the third quarter, the moon looks like, yes, a half circle again. And so this is it. Last but not the least, the moon goes through the waning crescent phase. Another crescent, but again, this time is waning crescent. After the crescent phase, finally, it comes back once more to the new moon. It takes 29.5 days for the moon to go from one new moon to the next new moon.
One here on the plate, and put the cream one here on the paper. Yeah.
And the keyboard is the mouth.
Sorry, Samuel?
Oh, yes.
Be careful, Jonathan. That's fine, Jonathan. If you break it like that, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, done. Okay, done, friends. My hands. Yay. Okay, so I want you to grab a paper. The paper, and I want you to cut in smaller pieces. Cut smaller pieces. Yeah, it's done easily. Cut it like this small, maybe this, like this small. Yes. Gibbous, and then moon, and then
Morning quarter.
After full moon, it's another gibbous. What is that?
Waning.
Waning, correct. Waning gibbous. Waning crescent. The light is getting smaller. So if you get it right, take a picture. Go grab your phone and take a picture. And later you're going to submit that on the classroom.
And yes, woohoo! That's such a fun time. Okay, before we end this video, let's try a very quick speed quiz. Okay, so try to answer, pay attention, and let's get it. Well, looking at the picture, which picture is actually represent new moon? Yay! Number one is new moon. Yay! Now number 2. What does the picture number 2 represent? Come on. And the answer is waxing gibbous. Clap clap. Now the last one. What do you think it is? Yes, it is a waning crescent. Again, waning crescent because the lid is shrinking. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video about the moon today, and in the next video, Miss Stella will compile all your work on the Oreo, and then yeah. See you next time. Bye.